trending after unveiling a sweeping multi year expansion of its strategic AI infrastructure partnership with Meta Platforms, a move that signals continued hyperscaler level demand for next generation GPUs and reinforces NVIDIA's central role in powering the global AI buildout. The announcement outlines plans for millions of NVIDIA Blackwell and future Rubin GPUs to be deployed across Meta's data center footprint, paired with NVIDIA's Spectrum X networking platform to optimize large scale AI training and inference. Investors view this as another strong validation of NVIDIA's full stack approach, combining GPUs, CPUs, networking, and software into tightly integrated AI systems. A key new element is Meta's first large scale Grace only CPU deployments, highlighting growing adoption of NVIDIA's ARM based CPUs for AI and data center workloads. NVIDIA also disclosed a forward looking 2027 roadmap towards its upcoming Vera CPUs, underscoring that its ambitions extend well beyond GPUs into becoming a complete data center platform provider. Security and privacy are also front and center. NVIDIA confirmed that confidential computing technologies will be used to help protect sensitive workloads, including AI systems supporting WhatsApp, reinforcing that future AI infrastructure must be both powerful and secure. Alongside the Meta partnership, NVIDIA is deepening its strategic push into India, aligning with the country's 1 billion India AI mission. The company is working with the Anusandhan National Research Foundation and leading venture firms such as Excel to support startups, research institutions, and national AI infrastructure initiatives. Commercially, NVIDIA announced additional large scale deals in India, including a partnership with Larsen and Toubro to build an AI data center factory for industrial grade AI workloads, and an agreement with Yoda Infrastructure to deploy more than 20,000 Blackwell GPUs as part of a $2 billion investment to expand AI data center capacity. Together, these announcements paint a picture of massive, geographically diversified demand, from U.S. hyperscalers like Meta to fast growing international markets such as India. Within the community, sentiment is broadly bullish. Supporters argue the Meta deal and India expansion further lock in NVIDIA's multi year revenue visibility and justify premium valuation multiples, especially as Blackwell ramps and Rubin approaches production. However, some investors caution that much of this optimism may already be priced into the stock ahead of NVIDIA's upcoming earnings, raising the risk of a sell the news reaction, even if results are strong. Bottom line, NVIDIA's latest partnership expansions reinforce its position as the backbone of global AI infrastructure. The debate now centers less on whether demand exists and more on how fast it can grow relative to already lofty expectations.
So Nvidia has been consolidating within a longer term bullish trend. I think since let's see since October of 2025. Yeah, at various times expanding, at various times exhibiting, or yeah, showing or rather volatility playing out. I mean other things. So extrapolation is saying that we are going to see lower prices from for today, the 18th, but I don't think that is what we are going to see. But all in all, the trend is that we might continue the consolidation. Yes, we might continue the consolidation. Well, projections are saying 173.73, 176.76, 181.66, 187.91, 194.36, 198.34. The algos on the 10-day moving average is saying it's just going to be sideways movement, which is likely to be what we are looking at right here. Yeah, which is likely what we're looking at here. No, as a matter of fact, it's actually saying today is going to be an update, so that's what we have. But tomorrow may be a down day. Tomorrow may be a down day. So Today it's saying it's slightly up. It's currently up now 2.04%, and that is what we're looking at right now. Small fractional gain. Yeah, that's what we're looking at right now. So there's a chance that this is what this is pretty much what may play out, at least up till Tuesday the 24th. This is, yeah, um a a contraction from tomorrow. Tomorrow the 20, tomorrow the 19th. That's some likely what may happen. It may not be what may eventually happen. Something else may, something else completely may happen. On its weekly charts, we have lower prices is expected to continue to print towards the 17th of August. Projections are saying 217.67, 236.05, 247.41. Okay. And the extrapolation of it's the 10 week moving average is also extrapolating flat momentum as well. So there's a chance that this is what we may see, a continued contraction. No VIV in no volatility in the momentum expected in the coming days, in the coming weeks. Nothing there. So there's a chance that we may well see this contraction playing out, and also that is also the sort of thing we have on the daily chart. Its momentum is expected to remain flat all the way towards the end of March. So there's a chance that it's this extrapolation we have here may well be what may play out. On the 4 hour chart here we have it's just in a very short term, saying indicating that this trend it picked up might remain in place up till Friday, midday Friday, which is not exactly aligning with what we have on on the daily chart, where we have um, some weakness, yes, going all the way towards I think the 20th or thereabouts. So, but we'll see. It may still align anyway. This is a 4 hour chart. It's always active in the post market session and in the regular session. So much of the data points here, much of these extra data points they're not covered on the daily chart. So we may well still align with what's on the daily chart. Here, volatility is expected. You can see here, momentum is expected to remain in place at least up till midday tomorrow, the 19th. And projections here are saying, let's see what we have, 183.64, just slight downward projection. Yeah, so there's a downward projection. Okay, so as things stand right now, the stock is now at 188.75. Let's see what we have here, 188.75. So this is almost where it is right now. It's at this is 190.48. The probability of that printing is not very high, less than 50%, but it may still print anyway. The fact that it has a probability that is less than 50% doesn't mean it's not going to happen. There's still the probability is still there. Probability is never zero. It's never zero and hardly ever one. So there's always something there. Yeah, and it's still tangible enough that you may well test those highs. It's already at 188.75. There's a chance that it may have even printed an intraday high. Okay, not really, not really. Yeah. Okay, so that's what's going on right now. Just see what you make of Nvidia stock. And thank you very much for watching this video.